back to another episode of the 89 Garage. I'm Shane, and welcome. I think I just said that. The struggle continues to get things done for car show season. I'm smoking the Bandit right now. Got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I have all kinds of stuff that needs to get done. It's during the week, got to work in the morning, so I'm just gonna come out here in the garage and put on a couple things that I know I can get done today. We got those. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit for those because I got to take the door panels off to do the speaker grills. These are the plastic lenses for the hatch. I think we can get to that today. I don't know if this is a hatch or door kit. Yeah, that needs to go with that. Alright, I think this is for the hatch too. So tonight, maybe I'll just do this. Possibly that too. What's this? Oh, this goes on the hatch as well. We can put that on. Let's get to work and see what kind of damage we can do tonight. Okay, we're going to start out by replacing these two. Just the Phillips is all that holds these in here. These are kind of cracked, so but they're probably in better shape than those that are in Frankus. So I'm going to try to hang on to them. Another thing, I'm not too sure if these bulbs work, so we'll check those out. Oh, I'm going to guess no, that's black. Hopefully I have these bulbs. This needs to come out someday and get painted. Yeah, those are both burned out. Good thing I didn't get pulled over. Let's see, this is what I'm talking about. These are cracked. But, you know, they're good enough for Frankie, right? Well, hopefully these are 194s. I do believe they are. They're 168s, but you can use 194s in a pinch. And we're in a pinch. I buy these by the box. I'm gonna go kick on the park lights and just make sure we're good here. Yep, looks good. Well, that's pretty righteous. These actually came with brand new screws too. That's great. That will make things look even better. These screws do seem like they're smaller, but we'll see. Yeah, these screws are too small. Guess these are going back in. Yeah, these say 79 and 93, so I don't know why those screws are smaller. I certainly have not put bigger screws in it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but the one on the right is what it came with. That left is factory. Okay, now I think the next thing we can do is get these on out of here. All right. That's in there good. Get this one started. Let me just show you. Right here. Let's see, right here. What are you guys looking at? Oh, right there. Right here, there's a little nub right there, and that's where you get this thing started to thread in. Once you get that thing going, it's right in and out. So, really simple. All right, guys, hopefully that works out for you. I'm gonna drop this puppy. Whoop. Drop this down and figure out what in the world it is we got going on with the tabs. This also came with screws, by the way, the kit that I got for this. So that's pretty sweet. Okay. Yeah. Let me show you this kit. It's got 4 screws in it and 6 of these. We're gonna go ahead and these just aren't holding in anymore because they're all stripped out. Plus I don't have all of them. You guys are probably going for a ride there. I'm sorry. The long screws go towards the back of the car, and the shorties go on the sides. Oh, that was quick. Okay, basically I get a dry erase marker. I'm gonna go around this and it'll all wipe back off when we're done. That way we somewhat get this in the right spot. Ooh, man. I'm gonna move you. We'll just shut this hatch and see how it goes. Looks like it's sitting okay. Sitting good on the side there. Good there. Okay, there was just a couple things that I got to tonight. I really don't think I can really get too deep into anything else right now because I'm waiting for stuff. I'm waiting for other projects that I got to do at the same time. Like when I do the carpet, I might as well do the seat belts at that point. And when I do the door stuff, I might as well do that all together. I also got some paint. I'm going to try to touch up the paint in the door jambs while I'm in there. I don't feel like I can give it the attention that it deserves by doing this during the week because I feel hurried. And I like just doing this stuff on the weekends where I'm in my zone. That's about all I have for this video. I've been filming a whole bunch more. I got this whole thing's torn apart right now. That video will hopefully come out next week. I'm really trying to get this thing done for the car show. Things aren't cooperating with me. Thanks again for watching, you guys. I really appreciate your support. And please let me know what you think of all the things that I've done and am doing and will be doing down in the comments. I appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care.